Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. I'm so excited for today's video because we are going to continue decorating for Christmas, and I'm also going to be organizing. I thought it would be fun to sort of just put on the music for this video. No talking, we're just going to be hanging out. I know I have really been loving watching videos that are just people cleaning and organizing and decorating just to music that I can have on in the background. Maybe you are working, maybe you're wrapping presents, whatever it is. Let me know in the comments actually. But I hope this video can just be something chill and relaxing that you can put on this time that we can spend together, hang out. I really hope you all are enjoying the holiday season. I hope you're in the holiday spirit. Hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Just all the things I hope for you. I hope this season is amazing. And yeah, with all of that being said, if you want to hang out with me, just a chill vlog with some music, some organizing, some decorating, then please just keep on watching.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this
Okay, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. You have to let me know what you think about this style video. I really liked it. You have to let me know if you were folding laundry with me, maybe wrapping some presents, maybe just hanging out and relaxing and jamming to the music. Let me know if you like this. And yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of my new Christmas decor, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.